So today we are going to solve a problem regarding the page or the poster in which the question states that a rectangular page is containing 36 square centimeter of a print. The margins on each side are to be 1.5 centimeter. You have to find the dimensions of the page so that the least amount of the paper is used. So basically you have to understand the problem. The problem states that there is a complete page in which some margins have been left from top and bottom and right and left. Whereas on this side where I am making the lines, this is the printed area. So this is actually the printed area. Okay, so on this printed area, the printed area according to the question is 36 centimeter square. Now it has also said that from each side means from the top, from the right, from the left and from the bottom 1.5 centimeter has been left. So if I ask you what is the area of the whole paper or the whole poster, so you can say that area equals to, now this is, let's suppose this printed side, vertical side is said to be y. So from here till here it will be y plus. This is 1.5 at the bottom and 1.5 on the top. So y plus 3. This is the length of the total paper. Now let's suppose this printed area, the horizontal side of the printed area is x. So how much the whole side equals to? So 1.5 from the right is left, 1.5 from the left is left and plus x. So it will be x plus 3 in total. So let's see what is given to us. The given equation says that the rectangular page is containing 36 square centimeter of the print. So the area of the printed side is, let's suppose, A equals to x times y. That means length into width. So what is area? Area is 36 equals to xy. So this is the equation which is given to you. Now, according to the given scenario, you have to change the other side. That says that the margins are 1.5 centimeter from each. So, find the dimensions of the whole page such that the least amount of paper is used. So, now let's write the area of the whole page. Yani you have to write the area of the complete page, yani complete blue side. So here length into width. So you can write as x plus 3 times y plus 3. But I told you before also, when you have something given, so from here always try to solve for one variable. So that is y equals to 36 over x. How? Divide both sides by x. In order to find the value of y, you will get 36 over x. After that, this is the constraint equation, the equation of the whole page. So for that constraint equation, you have to put the value of y, 36 over x. Let's see clearly. So y equals to 36 over x and a equals to x plus 3 and times y plus 3. So the first thing is replace 36 over x by y. So you will have a equals to x plus 3 times, in place of y you just write 36 over x plus 3. Now open it by distributive property. So when you multiply x times 36 over x, have a look here, x times 36 over x. So x and x cancel. So what you will have? You will get only 36. Now x times 3 will gives you 3x. Then 3 times 36 over x, it gives you 3 times 6, 18, 1, 3, 3, 9 and 108 over x. Then you will have 3 times 3, which gives you 9. Now 36 and 9 are the numbers. So you will have a equals to 45 plus 3x plus 108 over x. So 108 over x. Now take the derivative. So a prime equal derivative of 45 is 0, so it's cancelled, plus derivative of 3x is 3. Now look here how we will take the derivative of this 108 over x. First of all, you have to bring the x on the top. It means it becomes 108 x to the power negative 1. Now take the derivative. How we take the derivative? We multiply 108 by negative 1. So we will get negative 108 x to the power. From the power, we always minus 1. So it gives you negative 2. Now here, you will write negative 108. X has a negative power, so write it down to make it positive. Now what you have to do? Set the whole equations equal to 0. So you will have 3 minus 108 over x square equals to 0. So bring the 3 here or 108 over x square here. So you will get 3 equals to 108 over x square. Cross multiply. So you will get 3x square or 3 on the down position and x square on the upward position. So look here, I am doing it here. So you will have 3x square equals to 108. Divide both sides by 3. So you will get x square equals to 36. So after that, what you will do? You will take the square on both sides, square root on both sides. So you will get x equals to plus minus 6. Since you know that the dimensions cannot be negative, so you will only take x equals to 6. Now in order to find the value of y, you have to substitute the value of x in this y equation. So in this equation, you will substitute the value of x. So what you will get in that case, you will get y equals to 36 divided by, in place of x, just write 6. So you will get 6. So x equals to 6 and y equals to 6. But if they ask you to find the overall dimensions, so what are the overall dimensions? Overall dimensions, you had x plus 3 and y plus 3. One as a length and one was a width. So what is the x? X is 6. So 6 plus 3, that means 9 centimeter, and y is also 6 plus 3, that is 9 centimeter. Now one thing left. The last thing is that you have to prove that you use the minimum amount of the pitch. So for that reason, you already know you have to take the second derivative. So from here, take the second derivative. Derivative of 3 is 0. Now bring the x square on the top. So it becomes negative 2. Shall I show you here? Negative 108 x to the power negative 2. Now take the second derivative. You bring it here. Negative 2 times negative 108. So you will get 61216 x to the power negative 3. Okay. Now bring the negative power down to make it positive. Now replace the x as 6. So you will get 216 over 6 cube. Now this is positive, this is positive. Obviously your answer will be greater than 0. So if your answer is greater than 0, it means you are using the least amount of dimensions. That's all. So if you don't understand, try to rewind the video and have a look again. Best of luck.